Look at that wildfire. In the other side of the mountain, there is a wildfire going on. See? That mountain. Look, there's a helicopter over there. Where is that helicopter? There. There's the helicopter. What are they? Yeah, up here. Did you see the wildfire?
Right in the
Just pray to Allah, give the heavy rain.
Not now. Tomorrow. Look at that wildfire. Oh, there's the. Oh no, this is from the. What you call this? From the helicopter. This look like volcano that explode. It's a wonder to see, but it's at the same time it's sad. Huh? No, there's no smoke smell. It's only until here. Oh, look there! I can see it, the fire from here. There.
Yeah.
There. There. Oh. Oh my God. Allahu Akbar. Allah. Whoa, look at that.
Spreading water already. This one doesn't have bus yet.
Oh, yeah. The other one has two, right? Maybe this is what you call this news. Look at the fire. Wildfire.
Oh, this goes to the until top of the mountain.
Yeah, it goes until the top of the mountain. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Turn off the fan. This big fire. How can one or two helicopters?
No, impossible, only one or two. I take more than 5 helicopter. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's there already. Why those people are like lots of Karens. I mean Marites. Wildfire, scary. There's the helicopter carrying water. See, this is the train. Oh, lots of firefighters there. Oh my goodness, look at the smoke there caused by a wildfire. Look at that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The only thing who can stop this is Allah, in one blink of an eye. Right, my love? Just rain. Right? In a blink of an eye, just rain once. It's so hard rain and it will stop. This is the cause of climate change. Look at that. Did you turn off your fan? Yeah, because it will go inside.
Still smell.
Yeah. You cannot see the mountains anymore. We are in ground zero of the wildfire. This is the ground zero of the wildfire. Look at that. It's very, oh orange here, like fire. This look like apocalypse. Nature is very scary if it's don't open it, my love. It's so smelly. Smell. He's not running at all.